Hello, my name is Nestor Arellano, Senior Writer for ITWorld Canada. With me today is Rami Rahim, Executive Vice President of Platform Systems Division for Juniper Networks. And he's going to talk to us about software-defined networking. Hello, Rami.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. There's a lot of talk about SDN, but software-defined networking is a pretty new approach to networking. I'd like to know how you define SDN.
Yeah, you're right. SDN, there's a lot of discussion about it in the industry today. With any introduction of new technology, new frameworks, there's a little bit of hype that happens naturally in any industry. So I think right now we're just sort of trying to emerge from that hype and start to talking about the practical steps people can take to deploy SDN. When I think about SDN, there's really a number of different things that come to mind. First and foremost, it's introducing automation, simplicity to the management and the configuration of an end-to-end network. You want to extract and remove and get rid of the manual steps that typically are encumbering IT operators in managing networks.
A lot of vendors out there have their own flavor, if you will, of SDN.
Earlier this year, we came out with our strategy. We call it our 6-4-1 strategy, 6 principles, 4 specific steps, and 1 business model. And now we're following it up with some very real products that our customers can deploy. So in fact, just a couple of weeks ago, we announced the general availability of what I think is a really compelling SDN controller, a very important element of any SDN architecture that you deploy. And we've gotten some fantastic reception from our early customers for that technology.
What can SDN accomplish for them, and what can it not do for them?
Right.
Could you give us some clarity on that?
Yeah, it's a great question. All advancements in networking technology, I think, depend on 3 fundamental building blocks. There's the silicon, the systems that you put the silicon in, and then software. SDN clearly is mostly around the software framework, but you cannot solve all networking problems with software alone. If the goal is high performance and low latency and visibility into queue sizes and various different attributes of the infrastructure to do analytics and correlation, then you need to innovate in silicon, in systems, and in software. And Juniper is a systems company that really pushes the needle on each of these very important building blocks.